Good afternoon, Wendy Antonucci here, and I am with the Cocoa Daisy January kit, and I am going to be creating a page in my All About Me Traveler's Notebook. So this will be there's my first one from the December kit. Here's the January kit, and actually this will be the February kit, excuse me. So what I've pulled out is, yes, just a few scraps because I've been creating a lot. This is the paper that had flowers on one side and the hearts on the other side with the snowflakes. I only have a little bit, so I'm gonna have to be creative there. And I love these flowers, so I'm gonna probably be fussy cutting some of those. I have these cards from the pocket keeping kit. Hello January, notes from today, and baby it's cold outside. And then I've used my Instax printer. Now this is the SP one. The quality is not very good, but this is what I have right now. These are unedited from my phone, but you can see I did one black and white and then tried that, but it was too blown out, and this was better, but anyway. So I have pictures of me. I love doilies. So I have a doily that chances are I'm going to cut apart. And I had these left over from another 4x6 card that I fussy cut out, and I'm hoping to use that. All right, so here we go. As you can see, I did not manage to work in this "Hey, it's cold outside" card. I really wanted to, and I might still cut that out and put it on here because this is so unusual for Florida and it's been so cold. And I didn't manage to work this in because I just don't feel like it matches these flowers, and it looks out of place. So next I'm going to take a look at some washi tape. I thought this would look cute, but I'm not sure. But I like gold a lot, so I think I'm going to add in some gold. And then I'm going to look through my stickers and such. So that's next. So here we go. All right, so now that my page is complete, I did some stamping on my tag, added in a few little bits and pieces. Then I go in, add in some of my journaling, something that's going on with me or that I really want to record for the year or what's going on this month. Then I take the quote of the day book that we got back in the November kit, although you could use any of the other little notepads or anything. I attach a little bit of washi tape to it, so I use the gold one. And then I'm just gonna put it in here so that you can still see my other page. But actually this isn't sticking very well, so I'll have to get that in there. But then I have my, well, things I'm eating, planning, cooking, crafting, etc. So you can see here, I made this spread then I journaled, and then I added this in. It does cover it up, but it keeps, that way I wanted to know what was going on with me. And you just flip it over. All right. So this is in right here, and just flip it over and you see the rest. So thanks for joining me, and this was the January kit, and I will see you next time.